Hello YouTube, welcome to Zippo video part 6. I forgot to show you the date on this 80th anniversary. It is a 2012. And as I continue. Alright, I'm going to set this off to the side. Okay. I'm going to start off up here. Polished chrome. Virginia Slims wear. Got a sheath with it. Brand new. Took the plug out because I didn't want to get stuck in there. And dropped the Zippo. See if I can get my Zippo card here. As you hear my birds in the background. IX, which is 1993. If I can get this back in the case. Come on. Crazy thing. Maybe because I wasn't putting in. Maybe because I wasn't putting it in there the right way. Next is the Lady Bradford table ladder with box and case. It has a 2032695 insert. And I don't know what that stuff is in the bottom. Looks like there's cotton in there, like in the bottom of your Zippo. So I don't know if that's supposed to fill that and it's supposed to last longer or what. Can't tell on a knife, at least I don't know how. Next is the limited edition 65th anniversary Zippo with tin. It's brand new, got the squared off design. It says 1932 to 1937. No, 97, my bad. 1932 to 1997, so I imagine that's 97 or 98. Next will be this Brickyard 400 lighter in tin. Very cool lighter. Number 24 is Jeff Gordon. It's brand new. And I cannot tell the date. Unfortunately, that's not good. Well, since it says August 6, 1994, I'm going to guess it's 94 or 95. Next is my Manitowoc Zippo. Brushed chrome. It's in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. No, I have not been there, for all you people that are asking. I got this given to me from my uncle. XIV. Use my little cheater card here. I should know it by now. You would think. That is a 1998. Alright. Yep. Next is the regular table lighter. You can see my screen. Regular table lighter. And it has 3 backward slashes on the left, and 3 on the right. Which is a 1984. Next is a brushed chrome Zippo. It's 2012. Next is my brushed brass. It's 2010. Next is it needs a little help. I don't know if they can fix that because I got a hole right here where it broke off in there. I don't know if they can fix that or not. I'm sure they could. 20% battery. Great. 3 backward slashes on the left, 3 on the right, which I think, as I said, is a 1984. Recap my memory. Yes. I'm just going to go up here. 3 forward slash on the left, 3 on the right. Brushed chrome. It is 1976. Another brushed chrome, 2006. This is a solid brass commemorative Zippo from 1932 to 1982, so it's probably an 82 or an 83. Marlboro Zippo, if I can put it in the camera. It has four backward slashes on the left, 4 on the right. 1982. This one's a 2000. Got that half moon key like the other one. I think I showed you this one already. Yep. I didn't show you this one or this one yet. This one's an X, which is a 1994. Yes. Next is XIV brushed chrome. By the way, this one was a Marlboro Zippo 2. The other one, XIV 98. This one has the initials FE on there. FO, whatever that means. This has the old style Zippo printing on it. It says 2517191. It's got 4 dots, 3 dots on the left, 3 on the right. So 3 on the left, 3 on the right would be 1960. But if it says 2517191, it's 1950, 1957. I don't quite know. Polished chrome IX, which is 93. Another one, brass, says Nitty G on it. It's got some things that go like this, lines that go like this on it. It is a VI. VI is 1990. This one's got, I call it a floral type design. It's got your name or initial thing. You put your initials there. Have it engraved, or you can engrave it yourself. 3 forward slashes on the right, 3 on the left, which is a 1976. I don't know how to tell these dates. I have been wearing this belt buckle as an EDC item on and off lately, but past couple days I haven't been wearing it. I don't know how to tell all them, but I'll just show them to you. Colonial. So you get up close, and I'll just do this for everyone. Colonial. Nothing on the back. TRW. Bearings Division. General Supply. You guys can pause this and read it. I only got a limited time to do this video. Mutual of Omaha. Plain one. Hartman Walsh Painting Company. I got 2 UPS belt. No, I do not work for UPS. I got 2 UPS money clips, and I wind up carrying one of them. Next off is, since I already got the camera set, is North Central Public Service Company. Got my arm in the shot here. Gwen's General Merchandise. By the way, there's nothing on the back of them too. Tools and Dies, Louisville, Kentucky. There was a sticker on top back of that one. I thought I felt something else. Fisher Controls. Nothing on the back of that one. Next is by the way, you guys see the big can of lighter fluid out here. I'm just going to wind up buying the big ones versus the small ones, just to be more conservative to the environment. It's got one forward slash on the left. I think it has one on the right. Maybe just one on the left. Possibly. Yes, that is a possibility. It's a 1981. Next are these north, south, east, and west Zippos. Both XII, which I think is a 97? 96. And that'd do it for the... Oop, I forgot one thing. Two things, actually. Zippo knife. Order for safety achievement. Zippo knife. Here, I'll show you guys the blade on that, since I got a little time left. It says Zippo, bred for PA. Stainless. Get this knife back into the right way. And one more knife. Seen better days, but got a crack right there. It says, see if I can even read it. Chevron Paraquat Plus. And you can tell that the blade is definitely wore versus the other one. And it says Zippo on the blade there, you guys can see it. So, okay. That's the EDC update. Oh, I want to show you guys something. Like I said before, I got some Zippo boxes in. I ordered some off eBay. There's packing, and there's 10 of them in there. I'll just show you them real quick. One of them has the paperwork with it. They were like $3.09 a piece. I bought them. I bought 10 of them. So you do the math. There it is. Told you one of them had the backside of them in there. By the way, these are all regulars. These do not fit any of the slims. These are all for the regular lighters. But these will be changed around in my Zippo display case. I will be taking some of my Zippos out of the case and putting them in here and then switching around. So not much more. Next Zippo collection update be a little different. So thanks for watching. Great rest of your day, and rate, comment, subscribe.